Devin up here and I'm back, and the work don't stop, y'all. The work don't stop on this channel, okay? You're never too late. Only way you late is if you don't show up. It's Devin up here and I'm back, and today I got the Bang Olufsen Xbox limited edition headset that costs $500, just as much as the system costs itself. Oh gee. Alright guys. Alright, what is the theme gonna be for these? Since these were made by Xbox, what is Xbox known for?
Dude, you can take that fucking host piece of shit shotgun, shove it up your fucking ass.
This theme is gonna be the music that I'm gonna be playing are music from fighting games. Alright guys, let's get it started. Hey, it don't stop. Throw them things up for your boy. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it done together, guys.
To the world of Street Fighter 3. Prepare for battle.
One box could leave you messed up and fractured. Block these uppercuts, they may leave you captured. May the best fighter win and win again. Battle to the top until his life ends. But if his life ends and he starts to decay, may one of his street soldiers avenge things. See you talking to the game, couldn't be talking to me. I got enough to beat and more soldiers to bury. You know we just clicked in and made you realize this game is twice as hard. You see that with your own eyes. You're on the way to choose your type of life cause you gotta. I tell you from now, which fighter will be the hotter. I don't think you want this one, just practice. Just challenge me when you're ready with your tactics. High punch and spin kicks, watch your back split. I see you in the air when I make you backflip. Select to make your first pick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Select to make your first pick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Select to make your first pick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Choose and pick the best one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Select to make your first pick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Alright, Bang Olufsen Portal wireless gaming headset. Designed for Xbox, limited series, wireless headset, wireless gaming headphone, engineered for gaming, designed for real life. Immersive soundscapes. Bang Portal delivers an engineering and authentic sound experience for gaming, movies, and music. The headphones features adaptive active noise cancellation, Xbox wireless, and Bluetooth 5.1 to enable a precise, low latency performance on Xbox, PC, and mobile devices. Dolby Atmos for Xbox enables virtual surround sound on compatible platforms, providing a gameplay advantage. Crystal clear communications. These headphones are equipped with advanced technology to improve communications, utilizing beamforming microphone arrays that empower a virtual boom arm. The geometrically placed microphones isolates the user voice and cancels out background noises, while intuitive touch controls provide frictionless and quick access to features such as mute, volume, and own voice adjustments. Lasting comfort. With all technology needed for superior gaming experience, Play Portal are designed to provide ultra lightweight comfort. With all technology needed with a superior gaming experience, Play Portal are designed to provide ultra high comfort. These headphones are crafted in a lightweight structure with authentic premium materials and weigh only 2.2 G. Key areas such as headband and cushions are carefully engineered to ensure a stable and enduring fit for hours and hours. Alright, now let's unbox this. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's sitting in there just right. Here's the headphones themselves. Let's see what else just come with it. Alright, so it comes with the USB Type-C port. It comes with the card on how to activate it. You got a little safety book. Last but not least, the guide itself. Alright, so it says turn on your headphones, set up the app, ready to listen. And on the back, it's more buttons. It has an on and off switch, Bluetooth switch, line in, USB, Type-C charging, wire connection, and the gestures. Pause and play, double press, mute, double press. You can make calls on this, or you can hit double press. Volume, you swipe up and down, and noise activation, you just swipe up and down. Alright, so here's the headphones itself. You have the LNR on the inside. You have this nice, smooth texture comfort inside of it. It's not like your standard cushion you would have on the headphones, because most headphones will have cushion on the headphones. But no, this has like a different kind of texture to it, which provides long lasting, because over time you can scratch this up or sweat. it won't really ruin this kind of material. So this is some high premium material right here. So when you first glance at it, you notice that more options are on the right side of the ear than the left side of the ear, which is totally fine. But let's go over it. So on the left side, this button right here is to pair it with your Xbox or mobile devices or any kind of devices that you want to. If you hold this down, it will pair to the Xbox. But if you just press it short, it'll make the quick connection towards the Xbox. So now on the right side, you have where everything mostly is. So as you see, you have the volume buttons right here. You also have the power button and the Bluetooth button right here. And on the bottom, as you see, you have the insert right here, and you also have the USB Type-C port, and also you have the light right here to show that it's on. All right, so now let's get the specs out the way. This headphone was created and made for gaming, surround sound, and also with Dolby Atmos. So you're gonna have the best sound. The microphone is a boom arm. So what that is, it detects the sound around the area. It adjusts the volume and the sound to the noise cancellation within the game and on the outside of the game. So let's say you have a noisy background and you have friends that are talking to you. The boom arm within the microphone would cancel out on its own so you can hear the voice a lot better. And once the voice chat is over, it'll go back to the game. And so it actually adjusts things automatically while you're playing the game. So you don't have to constantly keep flipping and doing things on your own. It detects the voice audio, it detects the audio, it detects your background and adjusts for you. Connect to your phone. And also, like I stated previously, it's customizable. So if you go into your app, you can actually customize the sound of how you want it. The battery life is up to 12 hours while playing with the Xbox, and noise cancellation and using Bluetooth. But if you're just using just the Bluetooth and noise canceling, it's up to 24 hours. The charge time to charge it completely is 3 hours. It has 4 mics total on each ear. All right, so I got these on and I can't hear anything. The noise cancellation kicks on immediately. I can barely hear myself. All right, so I'm listening to this and yeah, it sounds real nice. All right, so they have a nice soft feel. It do feel nice. It do feel lightweight actually. It don't really feel like you have these on, so there's really great comfort. It reminds me of the Xbox headset that I got over there. Yeah, it feels really nice. These are some nice headphones, and I really think you guys will like this and would not be disappointed if you did get these, because these are made out of some strong, nice material. Like, look at this metal right here. It's really strong quality, and also inside of here is really tough too. It's not a flimsy headset. This is gonna last you, like I said, to 7 to 10 years. Like, this is made to work, putting some work in, sweat. I wouldn't be surprised if athletes got these. All right, guys, so we done. Now it's time to play some music. We're gonna have some fun. So, all right, guys, here you go. All right, guys, I'm out. Throw them threes are for your boy. What do you guys think about it? You guys gonna get them? Not. What do you guys think? Worth it? Not worth it? I don't know. Throw them threes are for your boy. This is Devin Up. I'm out. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you guys for subscribing, watching me, liking this video, doing everything you can. I'm out. Peace.